Hi guys, I'm Karan and welcome to your channel Absolute Roadie. I'm here for a very short video. I wanted to talk to you about two things. दो चीज़ें ऐसी थी जो मैं I've been chasing them since the day I thought of started to vlog. अपनी preparation में for all the items that I needed to mount the action camera on my helmet. So one of the things which I ordered was a mic. Now I'll tell you which mic was that. वो mic कल आ गया. The mic which I ordered earlier was the Purple Panda mic. Now ये पहले order कर चुका था मैं. It was in transit. It got lost. I got a refund back, so I'm happy that I ordered again. Or now this time it came back in less than 7 days. So I'm quite happy it's here. Now this is considered to be one of the best mics while which you use while vlogging. मैंने भी install कर दिया इस mic को. Today is Friday. It's a weekend. I've gone for certain rides. Video आएगा. आप sound खुद सुन लेना उसके अंदर. I'll add the videos as well. So it looks quite clean, nice. On my mobile screen I could see the microphone. Every time I used to speak it used to hit the full bar. So I'm quite sure sound would have been recorded quite nicely and comfortably on it. It will be loud and clear. At the same time, the quality of the mic itself is brilliant. I'm not saying Audio Technica is not good. It's brilliant too. It was a clean setup. आपने अगर पिछला वीडियो देखा हो तो no tapes used, nothing, direct plug and play, TRS out, no TRS adapter required. It fits directly into Cinova adapter. That's it. So clean. Sound is also quite good. So no complaints for that. But this is a step up definitely. Now we can compare the sounds and I'll see which one is better and clear. However, the quality itself is quite good. Mounting is given exactly same career wire is free flowing inside the cheek wraps or the helmet cover inside and the chin wraps over here. So wire is all free flowing, it's all spread across so that there is no unevenness in the helmet inside. And one of the wire comes out, it goes here and gets attached to the Cinova adapter. The other thing is the wind muffler. The quality of the wind muffler is quite nice, is as soft as a jacket fur. ये बिल्कुल भी irritation नहीं देता है आपकी चिन के ऊपर. Otherwise the previous one it had got some the one which came with Audio Technica was not that nice. It was very hard, तो वो irritation देता था चिन के अंदर, चुभता था काफ़ी. But this one is really nice. So quality is quite good. Plus the microphone wire itself looks quite thick. But let's see. इसमें the only challenge is that it's got an adapter. और उस adapter का, because this is a TRRS and then you have to add an adapter. The adapter comes in the kit, so you don't have to worry about it. So the only concern is that adapter is today morning it was hanging freely क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे कोई tape का इंतजाम तो किया नहीं था. So let's see क्या होता है. If required, शायद I doubt that even I may end up putting some tape. But that's it. As long as I'm able to get a better audio, I'm going to use this mic. That was anyways the first choice. So this is the mic, Purple Panda. If you guys want to use it, you should use it. It's very competitively priced. In fact, जो मैंने पहले mic order करा था वो $30 का था and this one is for $26. So it's rather $4 cheaper and this price is including shipping. So I've seen other mics as well in the market. They're all near the same range, plus minus a few dollars or plus minus a couple of $100. So, but this one, if you are going to, if you have a budget of around $26, then you should really look forward to this one. The other thing which I had ordered, mid last month, while I was looking to do the setup on my helmet, is something what you call as the Sugru modular glue. Now this is one of the best. It's like industrial scale glue, but it's been made available for domestic users as well. So if you go to their site sugru.com, you'll find there a lot of activities which they have put up for you, for your kids to do, to engage in with these clays. And what I've done, I've ordered a pack of 8, which is black in color. If you can see these packs say it's black color. Now in case, because I ordered black because my helmet is matte black, but in case if you have a helmet which has got graphics, which is multicolor, red, white, green, then they come in multicolors as well. So you can use the combination of colors so that it blends with the surface of the helmet and you don't have to worry about, or you don't have to get stuck with black color. It's got black, white, grey, red, yellow. So you can have, the mounting glue of the color which you want, which blends with the helmet. You can mix those colors as well. So it's really nice. It's a rock solid foundation for your mounting clip to stick onto the helmet. Once done, it's gone. दोबारा कभी डर नहीं लगेगा आपको कि your action camera will fly off while you're riding, it or it's going to fall. So that's not going to happen. It's rock solid. So let's do. I'm going to reinstall rather. I've already taken out the clip. ये मैं क्लिप पहले हेलमेट लगा हुआ था यहाँ से निकाल चुका हूँ. इसके नीचे ये 3M टेप थी. Now this is also very strong. इसको निकालने में बहुत मेहनत लगी. Literally I think दोनों हाथों से खींचना पड़ा, नाइफ से काट के निकालना पड़ा. So it's very strong. You don't have to worry about anything else as long as you have 3M as well. But the only reason you use it, one, in case if you're not finding the right flatter or curved surface on your helmets where you can install this clip. अगर हल्का सा भी गैप रहा होगा तो ultimately it will start wearing it out. उसमें wind head करेगी अंदर and slowly, gradually it will start losing its grip. That's the last thing that we want to happen. Usually, you'll also find that all those guys who wants to do a chin mount, तो चिन में हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है, डिज़ाइन होती है हेलमेट की. इसमें इट्स अ मॉडल 1, तो यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली you'll have the clip to release the lock and lift the entire face up, but otherwise it's got a wind inlet over here. So मैं यहाँ पे अगर इंस्टॉल करूँगा, it's quite difficult. You don't see a flat surface over here, तो यहाँ इंस्टॉल करना बहुत मुश्किल है. So similarly, some helmets have design, or to give some aerodynamic shape and design, they curve it in a different manner, which doesn't give a full flat surface for the clip to rest and stick onto the helmet. For those cases you need these glues. So you glue, you mix them, it's like a clay, and then you apply it over here, और जहाँ पे भी आपको लगाना है वहाँ अप्लाई करें, उसके ऊपर वो क्लिप लगाएं, clean it up, edges हटा दें उसकी, उसको perfect flat shape दे दें. All that you need to do is just leave it for 12 hours, either for the day or overnight, and it will dry up and it will become a rock solid foundation. And you can do it very cleanly. आपकी helmet पे it would not look odd. So that's a very easy way to mount the clip exactly where you where you want the clip to go on your helmet. So what I've already done is, like I showed you, I've already removed the clip. Now we'll try to mix these and apply it on my helmet. Now usually the standard is that for a clip of this size, which is either it's flat or curved shape, you need at least 3 of them. तो मैंने जो पैकेट ऑर्डर करा था, because I was ordering only one packet, I don't need many, तो इसमें 8 pieces थे, so which I was getting at a good price as compared to a pack of 4. So I got a discount on it, इसलिए मैंने ऑर्डर करा. Plus in case if I need to install it on mother helmet as well, then I would need them. Now I have ordered this Subaru modular glue from what do you call it as? You call it as a moldable glue, not the modular glue. Sorry for that. So I've ordered the Subaru moldable glue from Subaru website directly. They provide you with free international shipping, so you can order directly from their site. The shipping costs are probably included in the product itself, but it's highly subsidized. I think they use their mail service. You will not get a tracking number for it, and it took almost nearly 4 weeks, almost a month's time for it to arrive, but it arrived. The moment you'll place an order, you'll get an email confirmation as well. When the item gets delivered, again you'll get an email notification from Subaru. And if you go to the website, you'll find a lot of activities which you can do with this. So let's get started. ये start करते हैं. आज की राइड तो हो चुकी है सुबह, तो इसमें मुझे डर नहीं है. I can use it. I can leave the helmet for 12 hours. I can use the other helmet also if I want to go for a ride. But anyways, I'm done for the day. Let's try to peel it open and ये मैं तो फर्स्ट टाइम ही कर रहा हूँ, बट लुक्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. guys, welcome to your channel Absolute Rudy. The helmet is ready and I can't wait to show it to you. Here you go. Here's the helmet. We did two things yesterday. One, we used the Sugru moldable glue to mount the mounting bracket. Second thing that we did was to install the GoPro mic, which has already been done. I'll share the videos with you, testing the audio of the mic soon. Alright guys, it's the same thing, nothing new. The installation is the same for the action camera. It's just that instead of just relying on the 3M tape, I have relied on the moldable glue, which comes from a company called Sugru. So it's been done, it's now rock solid, it's been mounted, it's working fine. However, now this is, I've shown you the video as well for installing it, but lessons learned from the video, which is more critical. And this is what I like, when you do things yourself, जब आप खुद करते हैं चीज़ें, तभी आप सीखते हैं कि आपने क्या गलत करा, क्या सही. And my lessons learned. Now these are going to be some hard facts which even I had to face with, or I hope they are helpful to you. पहला lesson, पहला क्या सीखा? The bundle kit which comes when you're buying an action camera, or otherwise when you go to Amazon and look for products online. Now I'm sharing my experience. I don't know how it's been with you, but this is what happened to me. The mounting clip, it broke off from the point जहाँ से ये प्रेस होके अंदर स्लाइड करता है mounting bracket के अंदर. It broke off. That's very risky. I think these bundles come for a price of around $25 or even less, where you get 40 or 50 items. Now I'm not saying all of them are bad or they're not good. Some of them, like the chin wrap or the chest wrap, these are good because they don't have plastic. These are fabric or some other synthetic material, which is good. But जो clips हैं, even for that matter, screws are fine. The GoPro mounting screws are fine. They're all okay. But when it comes to clip, I'm not going to use them. I used one just to make the video and show it to you guys how it looks, when it gets mounted on. But just a sliding bracket है, अब ये I'm not going to use these ones because these are very fragile. And if it happens during a ride, आप कभी camera निकाल रहे, you want to replace the battery, and if it breaks at that point in time, then you're done. So I'm going to replace them, and I would urge you guys as well. At least ये जो slide-in brackets हैं, replace them and pick the original ones. They would be expensive. They have, I think, एक या दो ही $20 के आएंगे. Here you're getting a pack of 40 items, but that's the difference. So your call, guys, but I'm going to change it. I'm not going to rely on these pieces जो एक या दो बार में slide करने में break हो जाए. So not very happy with this bundle kit, but yes. Now these, I'll let you know, the bundle kit is not promoted by DJ Osmo. They only sell their authorized products like the camera or other accessories which they've authorized. So these bundle kits are available on the sites, Amazon or eBay or some other site where you're going to pick this your camera from. तो वहाँ पे sellers होते हैं, they just to break the price and just to be more attractive, they add these bundles to it. So it's not the company which is promoting them. These are the individual sellers on those sites which are promoting them. So, but here you go. This is just one example. It's not even, I've not even completed a month using my action camera, and I think इसको या 2 या 3 बार ही slide करा होगा मैंने, and it's gone. So not worth investing $20 in it. Second thing, now this is again very important, especially if you guys are looking to use a moldable glue, whether it's Sugru or some other brand. Now the mounting brackets, this is the bracket which you will put on the glue paste. जब उसको डालेंगे आप ताकि ये settle हो. What I've noticed that these brackets, now I'm not sure whether all these brackets or not, but these brackets which came in those $20 bundle kit, they have these gaps over here on this side. Now I'm not sure whether you guys can see it or not, but these clips have gaps. Now from these gaps, what happens is the moment you settle it on the glue spreads out of these gaps or bahar aa jati hai. Now the easiest way to block it is, which I didn't realize at that time, is to put a gap, a tape inside it, so ताकि वो बाहर ना निकले, and you can easily remove the clip. Or the other thing is, once you settle in it, जब आप उसको side से उसको mold कर लें and you give it a perfect shape the way you want it, then just use a pointed object, a knife or anything else, and just scrub it out, remove it at that point in time. The easiest way is to put some masking tapes. That's the best way. Just put some masking tape over here, and once it's done, peel it off. That's it. So lessons learned. I think these must be good for you as well. In case if you're using to mount your action cameras using a moldable glue, just keep note of these basic points, and guys, avoid them. I think you should spend some more money on them, because the entire safety of your action camera rests on these plastic clip-ons. See you guys. Have a nice day.